Can you use water to attract anything you want into your life? Yes, it is possible. And today we are going to discover how to use water to attract, to manifest what we want into our life. Let's dive in. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ketura here, and on this channel I share spiritual tips, law of attraction, meditations and more. If you are here today for the first time and you want to discover more spiritual tips, you want to learn more about spirituality, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. So as I said earlier, today we are going to learn how to attract anything we want into our life using water. Remember that water is one of the 4 elements, and water holds memories. It holds emotions. Praying with water is very, very powerful. When you look at the churches, they baptize with water, right? And they can even pray on a bottle of water and give it to you for you to use in your house. Yes, this is because water holds memories. There is life in there. Anything or any prayer the pastor or the priest is saying on the water at that particular moment, the water keeps it. And whenever you want to use that water, the water already knows what it has to do for you. Watch our African tradition. There are people who worship rivers and it works for them. People go to the sea and pray and it works for them. This is how powerful water is. Sometimes when your energy is a bit down and you take a shower, the water revives your system. Yes, you feel alive. People pray on their water before bathing and it works for them. Yes, this is how powerful, this is how divine water is. And you can use the same water to attract your desire into your life. This law of attraction that I am going to show you today using water is very simple, and if you do it well with the right energy and the right words, you are going to see wonders in your life. The first element you need for this technique is, of course, water. Yes, make sure the water you are using is clean and pure because you are going to consume this water, so it has to be the purest possible water. The second element you need here is a glass, because we will be pouring the water into the glass. Make sure you are using a transparent glass, okay? The third element we need here is a piece of paper, like this. And finally, a pen. Now, of course, you need faith and a positive energy to do this, because don't forget, the energy you would put in this water is the same energy the water will give back to you. So before you do this law of attraction ritual, make sure you are in a positive state of mind. You have a positive vibration in you. So now what you have to do first is to fill your glass with some water, okay? Make sure you pour the quantity that you can drink, because after this ritual you are going to drink the water and you can drink some and leave some. So make sure you fill it with the quantity you can drink. Now the second thing you do is to take your paper and write your desire on it. What you want to attract, what you want to manifest. Make sure you write it on the piece of paper and you write your desire in the present tense. Remember, words are really powerful, and if you don't know how to use them well, it can go against you. So be mindful of what you write on this piece of paper. With this law of attraction ritual, you can attract love, you can attract a business partner, you can attract money, you can attract a new job, a new contract, a trip abroad. Whatever your desire may be, you can make it happen. So take your pen and you write your desire on the paper. This can be, for example, you can write something like, I attract my love partner into my life. Okay, or I receive my visa to travel to my dream country, for example, or I attract money into my life effortlessly. These are things we call affirmations. Okay, you are making declarations onto your own life. And as I said earlier, make sure your affirmation is in present tense. Okay, no future. Don't say things like I will make money, I will attract my love partner, or things like that. No. And also avoid words like I want or I need. No. Okay, you have to make the statement as if the thing has already happened, or it is now happening to you and you are very grateful. Do you understand? I suggest you use one desire at a time. Don't mix so many things together. Okay, if you are willing to attract money and love, you have to choose between these two what you are going to do first. Then when you finish with the first one, you can move on to the second desire later on. Now, when you finish writing your desire on the paper, you are going to take your glass of water. Okay, your glass of water, you put the paper with the writing on it under the glass of water like this. Okay, listen, the paper with the writing on it has to be under the glass of water. This means that the writing is going to reflect into the water. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So you do it like that. You put it on it like this. Okay, so the writing will be on top of the paper. It reflects into the water. Now, you are going to rub your palms together, okay, like this, and feel the energy, okay? When you feel that your palms are warm, you place them around the water, and you project the energy, you project that energy into the water. Now, you are going to read out loud the affirmation that you wrote on the piece of paper. If what you wrote was, for example, money comes to me effortlessly, you are going to say that 3 times. Okay, you are going to say that 3 times, and you visualize the money coming into your life. You visualize it coming into your bank account, into your mobile money. Okay, you visualize receiving money from somebody. You visualize receiving money from your boss, for example. You do the same thing if it's about love relationship or a job or a trip. No matter what you want to attract, you just have to follow these same steps. So when you finish visualizing your manifestation, you leave the water overnight. Yeah, something I forgot to tell you is that it's best, okay, it's better to do this ritual in the night. If you want to do this law of attraction ritual, you do it in the night. So when you finish everything, you leave the water like this overnight. Okay, then in the morning, the first thing you do in the morning is to drink the water. You take your water and you drink it. That's the first thing you have to do in the morning. Now, you have to do this ritual for 7 days or 21 days. If you want it to be more powerful, please do it for 21 days and see what will happen in your life. This technique has been there for ages and there is nothing diabolic about it. Water is an element God has created for us to use, and we are using it for good purposes. Try this ritual and come back with your testimony. It is a pleasure for me to share this knowledge with you. To support me, you can like this video and share with your friends. And if you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Namaste.